guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my final fall DIY for November. I swear everyone is already talking about Christmas and I'm getting the itch to start decorating, so we are gonna wrap up this whole fall thing. Today I'm gonna do a couple Thanksgiving centerpiece ideas. They're super easy. A lot of the stuff I already had here in the house, and then the other stuff I got from Dollar Tree. So let's get into it. Okay, so for these pumpkins, this was super easy, although I didn't really know how I was going to spray paint them because I wanted to leave the flowers how they were. So I tried covering them with a little baggie. It did end up getting a little messy because the bag wasn't really allowing me to get up really close to the flowers. So when I spray painted, I ended up getting it all over my hands. So I think what I'll do next time is just wear gloves, and then that way I can spray it however I want and it won't get all over my hands. So I'm using a copper, I think it's called Copper Rose spray paint color, and I'm really loving this color right now. I used it on a couple other DIYs, but I just went ahead and spray painted the pumpkin part. And like I said, I tried really hard to keep it covered, but it just wasn't working. So I just kind of moved the flowers around, and it did end up getting on my hands a bit, but it wasn't too hard to get off. And I think these turned out super cute. These were so easy. I ended up leaving the one in the middle the color that it was because I actually liked it. It kind of had like a metallic look to it. So these were super simple, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. Alright, so for the next DIY, I'm doing a little Thanksgiving centerpiece. I had this candle from before, and I'm just going ahead and spraying it with, this is also, I believe, like a copper rose gold color. And I'm just going to spray paint the entire candle and then let that dry. And then I'm using this big vase that I already had. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. And I actually already had the little tray as well that I'm going to be setting it in. The only things I bought for this DIY were the leaves, I believe. I had everything else because I'm going to be using pine cones, and I already had those too. So if you can find stuff in your house and reuse it, that is like the best way to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the pine cones. Oh yeah, I did end up buying those little grapes too. And I'm just going to arrange the pine cones, the grapes, and then I'm going to stick the leaves in between just to make it look festive. This one was super easy as well. That's literally all I did. And I wasn't going to use those little jewels in there. I took those out, but I ended up putting those back in for the candle to sit on because the candle wasn't in there very evenly. So once I put the jewels in there, it sat in there perfectly, and I just love how this turned out, and it was so easy, and I used mostly stuff I already had in the house. I hope you guys enjoyed my fall DIYs, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be coming out with my Christmas DIY soon, so you guys don't want to miss those. Alright, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!